Hi guys, hope you all are well. I'm Keshav Kishore Chhipa and welcome to my new video. In this video, we're gonna talk about prompt builder. So let's understand what is prompt first. A prompt is a specific instruction or input provided to an AI model to generate a desired output such as text, images, or code. It is quite similar to the ChatGPT, right? That on the ChatGPT itself, we just give the specific instruction, which is nothing but a prompt, and they just understand that instruction and give us the desired output. So in the chat gpt whatever we have written, whatever we are typing onto that text input, it is nothing but a prompt. Let's understand why this example. Okay, so this is an example by which I've written this prompt, which is design my game room. Now they just give this image with the table and all, with sofas, with great false ceiling and everything. Okay, now I've just given a one more prompt that design my game room with a ping pong table and the style with neon color scheme. So they have just colored my whole room. I do have this ping pong table instead of snooker. So this is how we just modify our prompt. We can be more specific to make them understand that what we want, and on that basis we can get the desired data. Okay, now come up with a large language model. The large language model is named as the LLM basically. The LLM is an advanced computer model which are designed to understand and generate a human-like text. Okay, so it is just a heart of whole AI, the Einstein AI, the prompt builder. Because on this LLM, we have make them understand that what can be the patterns you will get as a prompt and how you gonna be react on those prompt. So we trained them to understand the patterns. We trained them with the parameters that whatever we don't know that the what user want. So first of all, we just make them trained that this is how you need to be behave if you get this inputs, if you get this kind of patterns. So they have very much trained. We have tested the vast amount of data to understand the patterns. Let's talk about numbers now. On the GPT-3, we have given the 175 billions parameter. In GPT-4, we have given 1 trillion parameters. So the numbers are impressive indeed. On the same time, we have using the very huge servers, the processors, the memories to make the LLM basically. So that's how the LLM works. It's just a computer based model to understand the data, and they just react to it if we give one the specific prompt on that. So now we're going to understand how we can plan our prompt. So there are the three instructions we need to take care when we are creating a new prompt. First, who is involved and how are they related? What is the context and what are the constraints? And let's come on to the demo now. So this is the AI enabled org you can easily create from the trailhead. So first of all, you need to on the Einstein setting, you need to enable the setting first. We do have an Einstein setup over here. So make sure this is enabled, and if you just enable this on the refresh, you can able to see the prompt builder as well. After enabling this, you can able to see this, otherwise you can't. So let me click on the prompt builder. So there is no, as of now, 0 templates over here, so I'll create a new one over here. So in the from template type, there are the 3 types we can do. The first of all, feed generation, in which we gonna highlight a field itself, and that field is the AI enabled field. You can say the new name of that field is gonna be AI enabled field, which we gonna do in this demo now. And the flags is a general summary you can say. And on the flags, okay, so this record summary is a general summary of a record, and the flags is gonna be like you can able to highlight the 5 different objects. So these two I'm gonna cover in my next 2 videos, the part 2 and part 3. In this video, we're gonna highlight the field generation only. So let me talk about quick summary over here. Quick summary is here, and I'm gonna highlight the quick summary field on case. So we do have a quick summary field on the case. So this is gonna be the AI enabled field. So this is how the prompt builder look like. This is the prompt template workspace, and where we can write our prompt, and these are the resources where you can just insert your Salesforce data as well. As I told you that the prompt builder is indicated with the Salesforce data, so by it you can just add on your data as and all. So let's talk about, so let me just give some prompt here. Summarize the uh, chats, and chats is gonna be case, not case, it's gonna be current user, internal comments. So this is gonna be the comments of a case itself. So this field will render all the comment, all the chats we do in the case, and priority, case type, and its subject. So let me give the priority as well over here. Priority, the case type, and the case subject too. And keep this brief. And so here we go. So this is the preview. Okay, so let me search any of the case we have. I'm taking this case, save and preview. So this prompt will give me a response of this case. So that's how this preview work. So let's show the chat summary for the low priority case related to electrical wiring installation of subjects and all. So here you can see the low priority. They talk about the low priority. They talk about the electrical type. They talk about the cases as well. And the probably there is no comments on that case. So that's why the comment is not summarized over here. So that's how it works. So here you can see these are the configuration that what survey you need to follow. So I'm just keeping the standard one, and I'm using the latest one, which is OpenAI GPT-4. So OpenAI is open, no need to worry about some subscription and all. So we can just use this. I'm saving it and activate. Now the quick summary has been activated for me. Now let me jump on to the case. We do have a case here. I'm talking. Okay, so this is our field, right? This is the AI field we have. So as of now, this is not AI field because there is no that Einstein AI symbol. This is normal field, so we need to make that field Einstein AI field. So first of all, there is a requirement that I need to make sure this the table should be a dynamic form. So let me just make that first. So this is I've been upgrading this. Okay, now it has been changed to the dynamic form. And here you can see by clicking on this quick summary, we got this section Einstein Generative AI. And if I just click here, then this quick summary field is related to this quick summary Einstein which we have just created. So I've just added over here. So here you can see this is some Einstein icon. You can see as I selected this. So I'm just saving it. And just activating the page. Perfect. Okay, so now you can see this is the some star icon is come over here. So as I click on this, it just give me this Einstein bar here, and as I click over here, it just generate the response for me. So here you can see the cases of low priority categorized under electrical. So they have been mentioned are priority, which is low, and the type as well. They are subjects they are talking about, and the chat content specific details are not provided, hence they cannot be summarized. So there is no chat, that's why it's not coming over here. So that's how it works. And if I just click on the use now, if I just close this, here you can see that the AI generated text is just pasted here, and as I click on the save, it's gonna be saved. So if you can see again, I'll say elaborate more. They just elaborated in 3 sentences. So that's how it works. So I just added that, and it has been added. As I click on the save, it's just. So this is how the quick summary prompt builder works. This is the first of all. This is the first one of these three one. In the next video, I'm gonna talk you about the flags and the record summary. Okay, thank you so much, guys.